fellow vendors. In today's video, we are going to be doing a collection on my mobile home soda machine. This is my Dixie Narco 501. Going to get it restocked. This is a 2-week collection and restock. Need some extra light. It's dark out. Had the knee split there to get it reloaded, just making sure I had a good camera angle. Hope everyone's doing good this Friday. Next week I will be in Vegas. I will be so happy. Traveling with the wife and a few friends, going to the MBVA in Las Vegas. Gonna meet up with Galaxy Games 843, Howard Hospitality Group, as well as Xtreme Vending, Quik Play. I think we're gonna meet Dominic Barbado too while we're there. If you guys are going, I would love to meet you. Get that one restocked. If you guys are looking for credit card readers for your machines, I have a deal with Cantaloupe on their ePort Engage for their vending machines. It is a touchscreen card reader. You'll use code 720 vending at checkout. That way you can get a discount on that. If you have any questions on how to set those up, I'm also happy to help as well. Gonna do a couple of the seminars, see how everything's going. Excited, I've never been to Vegas. Getting the Sprite loaded up here. The machine was a little low, so I was getting it good and restocked. For a soda machine, usually it takes me about anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes to restock the machine and collect all the money. Mountain Dew's all restocked. What's up next? I think it's Coke. Yep. These columns I can rapid fire them in. If you're going to Vegas, leave a comment down below, and I'd be happy to reach out to you when I'm there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that bell notification. Over 99% of the people who are subscribed to my channel, watch my videos, are not subscribed, so I would love to have the subscribers help. I got left one more case of Coke, and then we're going to head on to the collection. Looks really good now. Should be good to go for another week. So I was running about 2 weeks ago. On to the collection. Get you perched up on the machine here. Nice stack of silver there. Had to make sure I didn't drop it. I'm going to dig out my lucky red quarter. Can't seem to find it. I don't know where it is. There it is. Then we'll get onto the cash. Machine did $127.50 for 2 weeks. $16 of that was in credit cards. So not a bad 2-week collection on this machine, especially in February. For more vending related content, like and subscribe. Hope to see you in Vegas.